Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording we are working on another hit called SKI Intent Service Search Relevance Microsoft.com. Now let me tell you this hit is really hard to work on, so you really have to go through the guidelines for you to be able to qualify. Let me go ahead and download the guidelines. We also have the guidelines right here on the right side of the screen. It'll say guidelines to consider while choosing your responses or your response. Relevance: how closely related is the result to the query? Implication: considering context like application. Is the result from a reputable source? Does the result offer the up-to-date content, context, application, and language? Does the result correspond to the application language specifically targeted by the query? So for this one, let's start working on it. So we have here the query as PPT, threat to email security PowerPoint presentation. Now let's pull this up. So cybersecurity and cybersecurity threats, PowerPoint PPT. um, that cybersecurity, that's quite vague. So I would assume this is going to be moderate, really satisfies. That will fall under good, submitting it. Azure hybrid use benefit government cloud, that's perfect. Microsoft Active Directory tutorial PowerPoint. Is this a PowerPoint training? Let's see how it goes. I don't see it. Oh, SlideShare it is. So that is going to be perfect. Let me just see if we got new. Okay. And figure one, social technological model Inc. This one does not display it, so we have to click on the link and see how it goes. Figure one, show technology, economic. I don't think it makes sense. Click on that. Okay, you have failed the qualification tests this time. However, you can try again. So that is my fifth attempt. Let's do another one. We need to answer at least 10 questions. So ESS program guide, that one is perfect. Lottery business intelligence. Lottery business has um, query how to use PowerPoint snippet. I would say this is bad. um, Create Windows 7 image best practices. So this one is a good answer for me. Panos Panay Microsoft. This is perfect. And protected process Windows Vista, process security and access right. It's not. I think that's fair. SQL Server virtual accounts. Word. Okay, that's perfect. Excel docs XSL Coca-Cola forecast. Forecast. Let me see. It's not a forecast, is it? So that's bad. BitLocker presentation. Uh, that's perfect. File type Docs Microsoft Admin Forest. That's bad. And SCA Management Pack for WebLogic. That's good. We failed again. All right, I am not going to push through with this recording, but that is a short overview of a hit called SKI Intent Service Search Relevance Microsoft.com. You guys can pull up the guidelines to work on this one. I bet you find a hard time, trying to figure out how to work on it. But I recorded this video just for you all to at least get an overview of this particular hit. Again, my name is Ghost, and we do have a Facebook group. It is Click Worker Philippines. You can join our group. However, you have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first, and then join or answer the membership questions for our Facebook group so we can welcome you. Again, thank you for watching, and I do apologize. It took a while for me to upload other videos because I am quite busy working for UHRS. I targeted around 100 USD for this week. So it really, took a lot of my time. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.